Introduce myself. My name is Nadia Antonia. I'm from grade 2 TKG1. In this video, I will make how to make dancow milk hot. Ingredients: 1 sachet dancow milk and water, hot water. And materials: a spoon and a glass. First, put 1 sachet of dancow milk into the glass. Then, boil the water and pour a glass of water into glass. Next, stir all ingredients. Finally, serve the dancow milk and enjoy it.